Welcome everyone. Today we are going to explore a topic that affects millions of people worldwide yet often goes unnoticed. Nutritional deficiencies. So what exactly is a nutritional deficiency? In simple terms, it's a gap between the essential nutrients a body needs to thrive and what it actually receives. Think of it like trying to run a car on an almost empty fuel tank. It might still move, but it won't perform optimally. These conditions are incredibly common, but the most important thing to remember is that they are largely preventable. With the right knowledge and conscious choices, we can bridge these nutritional gaps. This presentation will serve as your guide. We'll demystify what causes these deficiencies, identify some of the most common ones, and most importantly, explore powerful natural food-based remedies to correct them. This isn't about promoting restrictive diets or quick fixes. It's about empowering you with the understanding to make informed, sustainable choices that nourish your body from the inside out. Our goal is to help you take control of your nutritional well-being, paving the way for long-term vitality and health. Now that we know what nutritional deficiencies are, let's investigate why they happen. It's often more complex than simply not eating enough. A primary driver in a modern world is a diet that leans heavily on processed foods. These foods are often high in calories but low in essential nutrients, having been stripped of vitamins, minerals, and fiber during manufacturing. This creates a scenario where we can be overfed yet undernourished. But diet is only part of the equation. Our lifestyle plays a massive role. Chronic stress, for instance, puts our body in a constant state of fight or flight, a process that burns through essential nutrients like magnesium and B vitamins at an accelerated rate. The natural process of aging can also make us more susceptible, as our digestive system may become less efficient at absorbing certain nutrients like vitamin B12. Furthermore, any underlying illness or chronic condition can dramatically increase the body's nutritional demands or interfere with its ability to use the nutrients it gets. A crucial and often overlooked factor is the health of our gut. You could be eating the most perfect diet, but if your digestive system isn't functioning optimally, you won't be able to absorb and utilize those vital nutrients effectively. Deficiencies are rarely caused by a single issue, but rather a combination of what we eat, how we live, and our individual health status. Let's now spotlight some of the most common and impactful nutritional deficiencies. First up is iron. Iron is a vital mineral that helps our red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to every other part of our body. When iron levels are low, a condition known as iron deficiency anemia can develop. The hallmark symptoms include persistent fatigue, weakness, pale skin, and shortness of breath. To boost your iron levels naturally, focus on foods like leafy greens such as spinach, legumes like lentils and chickpeas, and for non-vegetarians, lean red meat. Next, we have vitamin D. Often called the sunshine vitamin, our bodies produce it when our skin is exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D is critical for absorbing calcium, which makes it essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. It also plays a key role in supporting a robust immune system. A lack of vitamin D can lead to bone pain and an increased risk of infections. Besides sensible sun exposure, you can find vitamin D in fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified foods like milk and cereals. Lastly, let's discuss vitamin B12. This vitamin is a powerhouse for maintaining healthy nerve cells and for the production of DNA and red blood cells. A B12 deficiency can be serious, potentially causing neurological problems, memory issues, and a profound fatigue. It is found almost exclusively in animal products, meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, making it a critical nutrient for vegetarians and vegans to obtain from fortified foods or supplements. Continuing our exploration, let's look at three more essential nutrients: vitamins A, C, and calcium. Vitamin C is perhaps one of the most well-known vitamins. It's a powerful antioxidant that protects our cells from damage caused by free radicals. It's famous for its role in boosting the immune system, helping us fight off colds and infections. But it's also crucial for producing collagen, a protein that gives structure to our skin, bones, and connective tissues. Excellent natural sources are abundant in citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. Next is vitamin A, a nutrient paramount for good vision, particularly our ability to see in low light. It also plays a key role in maintaining a healthy immune function and is important for cellular growth. A deficiency can lead to vision problems and a weakened defense against illness. Your body can make vitamin A from beta-carotene, which is found in brightly colored fruits and vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and kale. Finally, there's calcium. We all know it's the primary building block for our bones and teeth, providing them with strength and structure. But its role doesn't stop there. It's also essential for proper muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and blood clotting. A long-term deficiency can lead to osteoporosis, a condition where bones become brittle. While dairy is a famous source, you can also get plenty of calcium from fortified plant-based milks, tofu, and dark leafy greens.
We've spent a lot of time talking about the importance of getting nutrients into our bodies, but there's a crucial next step we need to discuss: absorption. You can eat the most nutrient-dense meal imaginable, but if your body can't properly absorb those nutrients, your efforts will be wasted. This is where gut health takes center stage. Our digestive tract is home to trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, and viruses, collectively known as the gut microbiome. This intricate ecosystem is a metabolic powerhouse, responsible for breaking down food, synthesizing certain vitamins like vitamin K and some B vitamins, and, most importantly, helping us absorb minerals and other nutrients through the intestinal wall. When this microbiome is out of balance, a state known as dysbiosis, it can lead to inflammation and a leaky gut. This compromises your ability to absorb nutrients efficiently, creating deficiencies even when your diet appears to be perfect. So how do we cultivate a healthy gut? The key is to feed the beneficial bacteria. They thrive on dietary fiber, especially prebiotic fiber found in foods like onions, garlic, bananas, and whole grains. We can also introduce beneficial bacteria directly by consuming probiotic-rich fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. By prioritizing gut health, you ensure that your body can make the most of the nutritious food you eat, forming a foundational pillar in preventing deficiencies. Now that we understand the what and why, let's focus on the practical how. How do we build a diet that actively prevents deficiencies and promotes optimal health? The simplest and most visually intuitive strategy is to eat the rainbow. This isn't just a catchy phrase. The different colors in fruits and vegetables signify the presence of different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. By making your plate a canvas of reds, greens, oranges, purples, and yellows, you naturally ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of essential nutrients. Beyond fresh produce, build your meals around whole foods. Choose whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice over refined white bread and pasta. These provide sustained energy and that all-important fiber for your gut health. Don't be afraid of fats. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are vital for brain function and are necessary for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Ensure you're getting adequate protein with each meal from sources like legumes, tofu, eggs, fish, or lean meats. Protein is the fundamental building block for every cell in your body. Finally, a simple yet critical component: hydration. Water is the medium in which countless metabolic reactions occur, and it's responsible for transporting all those valuable nutrients to your cells. A balanced diet isn't about perfection, but about creating a consistent pattern of nourishment through variety and whole foods. Plant-based diets, including vegetarianism and veganism, offer a wealth of health benefits and are becoming increasingly popular. However, when you remove entire food groups, strategic planning is essential to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. There are a few key nutrients that require special attention. The most critical for vegans is vitamin B12, as it is not naturally found in any significant amount in plant foods. It is absolutely essential to get B12 from fortified foods such as plant-based milks, nutritional yeast, and cereals, or through a reliable B12 supplement. Iron is another one to watch. While plants like lentils and spinach are rich in iron, this non-heme iron isn't as easily absorbed as the heme iron from animal sources. But there's a simple trick to fix this. Pair your iron source with vitamin C. The vitamin C dramatically increases absorption. Think a squeeze of lemon juice over your lentil soup or adding bell peppers to a spinach salad. Calcium can be easily obtained from fortified plant milks, tofu made with calcium sulfate, and leafy greens like kale and collard greens. By being mindful of these specific nutrients and understanding how to combine foods effectively, a well-planned plant-based diet can be exceptionally healthy and nutritionally complete. It's not about what you're missing, but about how you thoughtfully build your plate. As we bring our discussion to a close, I want to leave you with a final crucial perspective. Achieving and maintaining nutritional balance is a lifelong journey, not a destination. It's a marathon, not a sprint. The goal isn't to adopt a perfect diet overnight, a pursuit that often leads to stress and failure. Instead, the focus should be on making small, gradual, and sustainable changes that you can integrate seamlessly into your life. Start by adding one more serving of vegetables to your day or swapping a sugary drink for water. These small wins build momentum. The most powerful tool you possess is your own body's wisdom. Learn to listen to its signals. Persistent fatigue, brain fog, skin issues, or frequent illness can all be signs that your body is asking for different fuel. Use the knowledge from today to become an informed advocate for your own health. Remember the holistic picture we've painted. True wellness isn't just about the food on your plate, it's about nurturing the health of your gut that absorbs the nutrients, and it's about managing the lifestyle factors like stress that influence your body's needs. By embracing a balanced diet rich in whole foods and celebrating the power of natural nourishment, you are building a resilient foundation for long-term health and vitality. Thank you.